Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI, first branded Google TV smart monitor. So friends, the MSI has introduced the modern MD272UPSW, a smart monitor support, multi-control and KVM function, making is a versatile choice for both entertainment and work, and equipped with 4K UHD resolution, IPS panel, white color gamut coverage of 94%, Adobe RGB, and 98% of DCI-P3. In addition, the monitor includes a USB Type-C port with 65-watt power delivery, an ergonomic stand that tilts, swivel, rotate, and height adjustable for seamless connectivity and comfortable use while working. And no more jumping from app to app. Google TV brights together 4 lakh plus movies, TV episodes, and more from across your streaming services organized in the one place. Need inspiration, get corrected recommendation, and Google's powerful search to find. So across 10,000 plus apps and to browse 800 plus free live TV channels and thousands of free movies. And ask Google Assistant to find movies, stream apps, play music, control, and many more with your voice. So friend, the multi-control and KVM feature let you manage two devices in one screen with one set of peripherals such as keyboard and mouse, and this innovative feature eliminates switching between devices and greatly improve multitasking efficiency. It is ideal for work, study and entertainment, and the connectivity option including built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, variety of ports such as HDMI 2.0B, DisplayPort 1.4A, LAN, RJ45 port, and USB Type-C port with 65-watt power delivery. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.